Hey guys, welcome to 72 Hours in New York. LaGuardia एयरपोर्ट से अब बेस्ट है कि आप एक फ्री बस लो सबवे तक जैक्सन हाइट्स और वहां से आपको जहां जाना है मैनहट्टन, मिड टाउन, डाउनटाउन, अपटाउन सबवे से लेके जाओ बेस्ट है। होटल पे बैग रखा और उसके बाद हम चले गए फिफ्थ एवेन्यू। सुबह सुबह न्यूयॉर्क पहुंचे तो न्यूयॉर्क का ब्रेकफास्ट तो खाना ही था ना। आ गए हम भी बेगल खाने। This is the very beautiful New York Public Library. If you haven't been inside, please go whenever you are in New York next. It's really beautiful. By yourself. Prada, Gucci.
Start spreading the news. I'm leaving today. I want to be a part of it. New York, New York.
So Fifth Avenue in New York City is particularly famous for its upscale shopping experience, vibrant atmosphere. और ये वेस्ट दिल्ली का लड़का यहाँ पे कभी भी नहीं जाता, इसे पता भी नहीं है फिफ्थ एवेन्यू है क्या। ये सिर्फ इसलिए गया है क्योंकि
औरत का चक्कर बाबू भैया, औरत का चक्कर
मेरे प्रादा। If you want to check it out between 49th and 60th Street. That's the most vibrant section of the Fifth Avenue. Found this cute Lego store. It had some really nice displays. Are you a fan of Lego? Now at Rockefeller Center. रिक्शे पे बैठे दोस्तों। ये पूरा रॉकफेलर सेंटर बढ़िया है, अच्छा एरिया है। ट्रम्प पाजी से हम लोग फिर निकल गए हम समिट वन देखने। बहुत सही जगह है, आपको लेके चलता हूँ।
Welcome to Summit. Please start the journey to your right.
The clouds look closer.
Day 2.
I'm digging through the glove box. I thought I had a map in here. The driver's door doesn't lock. I bought the car my junior year. There's candy in my backpack, and you can pick our soundtrack. We're heading for the East Coast tonight, so pack your bags and hold on tight, 'cause we're taking off. Pack up here, drag you in, pack up here, in, drag you up. me. We're on the way to New York City. Take my hand and see. Manhattan never looked so pretty. Travel light and see the world right. You'll never know if you never go. So
beware when you come to Battery Park or you're going to Statue of Liberty. Buy tickets online. Some things you should keep in mind while visiting Statue of Liberty, I think. This morning we had breakfast in Soho. Now we are going to Statue of Liberty. The tickets for the cruise cost $35 a piece, and preferably you buy online or trying to sell you fake tickets on the ground. The Manhattan skyline. So if you have to go inside the Statue of Liberty, you have to keep your valuables in these lockers. They're 25 cents each, and there's a change machine which you can get change from. So you just put 25 cents here, and it's locked. So there's two options. You can either take the stairs or the elevator. Elevator only goes to the pedestal level. If you have to go to the crown, you have to climb. So when you come back, you can actually get your 25 cents back. Greenery on a New York station, that's rare. No, just recording. There's so many hawkers here in New York. Reminds me of India. So we are in Prospect Park right now, here to check a food festival. Smorgasburg. So this happens across weekends, mostly Friday, Saturday, Sunday, at different places in New York. Today it's at Prospect Park. महंगा तो है ही.
That seen the nigga trip, you ain't seen a nigga flip to the bank, 50 G's and you free the nigga strips. 39 falling in, feed the nigga strips.
This is a nice pop-up. People come here for Instagram. There's a lineup. Thank you. So we are in Soho right now, one of the most prominent neighborhoods of New York.
तुम्हें को करना पड़ेगा.
Here in Target, trying out these Doritos that are not available in Canada. They're awesome. Birria Landia, New York. Supposedly the best birria tacos in New York. We are here to try it. Here at the intersection of 33rd and Hudson to see the vessel. That's a cool piece of architecture. The infamous Times Square. This is where the countdown to New Year happens.
Already. New York City, we need New York energy. New York energy. If you don't want to see it, we don't want to do it. If you like what you see, make some noise.
सीधा पाप से पुण्य के दरवाजे. We're going to see the Metropolitan Museum. ये देखो न्यूयॉर्क की बिल्डिंग है. रेंट इतना ज़्यादा और एसी भी नहीं है. बाहर से लगा हुआ सब में एसी. This is the Metropolitan Museum of Art. The Met Gala also happens here. So we get these stickers. They're like admission tickets. You have to buy them. There's $30 for adults. But they're also member pricing. They're free for certain companies like Google. This is a piece of cloth from the 5th century. Christ is shown here giving the law. So this is the replica of King Solomon's temple in Palestine. Swing walks. ये देखो दिए, रोमन दिए. This is from Africa. It's beautiful. शेर खान. ये वास देखो यार, इतना सुंदर है. बच्चों की वर्कशॉप चल रही है. Next time if you're in Ottawa, check out the museums there. They are beautiful. This is the color of my dreams. This is a chess and goose board from India, Gujarat, late 16th century. बंदूक के ये देखो तो बढ़िया सेटअप है. और जार क्लीन करने के लिए भी गिफ्ट सेटअप. साउथ एशियन म्यूजिक, रुबाब, सितार, तबले, ढोल. ये पाकिस्तान का है, ये बांग्लादेश का है, ये इंडिया का है. म्यूजिक, द वॉइस ऑफ गॉड्स. You know why music was invented? It was invented because of spirituality, to connect to a higher level. जैसे हमारी गुरु ग्रंथ साहब जी हैं, that is composed in hymns. गुरु नानक देव जी purposefully did that because बिना संगीत के आप ऊपर जुड़ नहीं पाओगे. संगीत बहुत ज़रूरी है. This is from British India, from 1786 Calcutta. BB. Had an awesome time at the Met. On to the next. आपको एक बढ़िया इन्फॉर्मेशन बता दो, यहाँ पे न्यूयॉर्क में एक्सप्रेस और लोकल कैसे आइडेंटिफाई कर। तो अगर ये सर्कल बना हुआ है तो ये लोकल है, और डायमंड बना हुआ है तो ये एक्सप्रेस है। ये हॉकर्स ने ना न्यूयॉर्क को अच्छा खाना खिलाना सिखा दिया है। फ्रूट्स मिलते हैं बढ़िया, फास्ट फूड की जगह, फ्रेश प्रोड्यूस। So our return flight back to Toronto is from Newark. So we were taking this bus, which is cost effective than taking an Uber, which would cost us $130. Similar to the bus that you are taking to Newark Airport, there are buses to LaGuardia, JFK, and you can get all of them at 41st and Lexington. This is the stop for LaGuardia, JFK. On the ground, it costs you $30, but online you can buy them at $23 a piece. We're just passing Bryant Park. This is where the chess matches happen. So guys, if you have a Nexus card with you, ask your airline to print it on the boarding pass, because here in Newark they have separate lines for TCA pre-check, and your boarding pass needs to be scanned in order to access that. So if it's not written on your boarding pass, you won't be able to access that. Alright folks, that's it from New York. Catch you in the next video.